So YouTube, today we got to replace his stereo right here, and I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna work. So we're gonna do a video on how to install this part right here. So this came with the speaker mic, the plug, the CAN bus, the USB, the GPS, the RCA for the Bluetooth right here. So we're gonna start off at taking the radio out. So to take the radio out, it's pretty easy. Turn the key to on, not starting it, just on. Pull this. Shift down. And make sure your feet is on the brake. And start removing. What is this? By just pulling out, it's pretty easy. That part, be careful not to break anything out here. Kind of lift it up, keep it up there. Then you got 7mm right here. You want to remove it right there. Take that out. All right, pull it out. And then once you get it pulled out, you just put the shift back up here. All you have to do right here, all you have to do is squeeze this and then pull it out. See? Pretty easy. And same as this antenna. This one is right there. And then this one I had to have both hands. You squeeze and pull it out. Starting off, I'm gonna start doing the Bluetooth right here. So we're gonna put Bluetooth down here, something like that, and we're gonna grab this out first, right there. Just pull it. Some of these are tight because it's dry rotted. Basically, it's hard, so you might need the tool. Just go up here like that. Just pull it out slowly. This thing, usually I do it by my hand, but this one is pretty tight. Actually, so we're gonna get this pillars right here out and run the wire like so. Push it back like this, and then just keep coming down and hide it. So I'm using this tool by pushing this, it open up like that right here. So I'm gonna start out going down here. You don't have to have this tool, so just run the wire, get a stick or something and push it down there and use a tape. I have to use it right there. All I'm doing is push it right there like that and put the wire in there. And once you got it out, you can come up here, push the wire through that side so you can grab them. Like that. Make sure it go in here. There you go. Just leave it like that. Now you got a two USB right here. Where's my USB? One or two? I see only one. Usually they come with two, but so I see only one. We're gonna just do this one. I use one of my hand from this side and then grab another side right here. So both hands from here and here, and you'll be able to reach it. It's pretty simple. Voila. And just keep this right here. The customer, you can close like this. Customer can plug it in with their phone using their phones. And now you want to flip this down, make sure there's nothing sharp underneath there, and you start plugging one at a time. Make sure, let's go with the this, we're gonna plug the microphone right here. Plug it in. Now you got this GPS, you wanna screw it in like that. This is for the backup camera, but he doesn't want the backup camera, but you still have to plug it in, so that way you get this blue thing is for the antenna for the Bluetooth, so you're gonna have to plug it in. Until you hear a snap, and then the antenna is different. You can use this one or this one. Most likely is this one right here. Let me double check. Alright, the antenna is a small one, so definitely it's the other one, this one right here. So something not right here. That ain't right. It's supposed to be the small to the big. Alright, out of all this antenna, they gave you the wrong one, so I'm going to use this. It's called GM1 if you're looking to get one. You can order that online. I can share that link here. But yeah, that's the wrong one, and that's the wrong one. See, that's one thing about this. This is what you do in a GM venture. So we're going to do this model instead. So I plug it in. That's a main power harness. Let it snap in and plug this. After you plug that CAN bus, you're gonna have to put it out here, right here, to the 6-pin plug. And then the another 6-pin plug right there by the blue, that's for that GPS, not the GPS, that's for the USB card right there, USB. And this, if you want the ding ding when it open the door, it ding. This is for the speakers for that. And you're gonna plug through here with, it's got that loop right there. So let's plug that in. Okay, just push it, let it snap. You can hear it snap, and you leave it right there. You can take it to the car. Alright, so I'm gonna plug the Bluetooth in first to this black. And then antenna, gonna plug that in. Don't forget this USB right there. So I'm gonna put 2 hands up there. I can't do it with one hand, so you want to, you don't have to. You can peel this, the GPS right there. I never had no problem putting them in, like just in, but I'm just gonna stick it in this on the top right there. Yep, clean it if you want, but next thing you do, you just plug the main plug in there. Do not forget the USB right there. Now just plug this main power and that USB to here. The main power going here. I plug an RCA jack for the customer. He's gonna hook up an amp later. So what I done, I hook up this blue wire. You gotta go to the screen and turn this thing on. If not, it's not gonna work. I don't know, this could work, but I don't want to do that. It's accessory output, so it's the same thing. Alright, now you want to go ahead and put this back, put the key in there. It's gonna ding like that. That's what that mic is. It's not the mic, the speakers. So turn it on, shift it down, and screw it in one piece at a time, and that radio should come on. So now I connect some the Wi-Fi. By doing that, you want to pull it down like this. You can see Wi-Fi right there. See right there, you want to click home, and then you see all this right here. You do a lot of different things. You got Bluetooth, Chrome, you know, YouTube scan, CAN info, cost setting, and the instructions all in here. Click on instruction to show you how to use it. See. We gotta sing through this one somehow, but be able to see me, my channel. See that? This is a day ago.
Discover the ultimate smart padlock.
Now let's try see this is working.
Ideal for forgetful folks. It's like minimalist design.
There's the volume at. That's the volume.
Want a stylish yet functional padlock?
Okay.
Don't miss out. Shop on TikTok now.
Here's a setting. You wanna.
So we're gonna run. Ooh, that's really loose right there. So whoever done this did not do a good job on that one. So we're gonna be removing.
So basically, you can set all the DSP, the ASP right there. It's a Bose system already, so it's gonna get a good sound already.